This is just a short video tutorial on how to clean under the keys of your MacBook Pro. Sort of in response to some videos I saw posted about removing keys. I didn't want to try that. I wanted to try to clean under them with a small brush, which you can see in the foreground there. It's an electric razor brush. And you can see I've got my can of spray air. And if you look down on the paper below the MacBook, you can see some of the debris that I've already gotten out. What I'm doing is, if it looks funny, yes, I am in my tub. Reason you can see is because, for one thing, it has a padded bath mat, and your bathroom is going to be naturally dust free because of the extra humidity usually involved in it. So it's one little plus to not have to add anything to your computerized equipment. So what I've done so far with these keys is taken my small brush and I go under the lower key and brush up underneath the key above it, and that's where I come up with this debris. It just came right on out. And I did this mainly because my A key was really sticky, and I knew it couldn't have been the sealed keyboards. There's not a whole lot of things that can go wrong except get dirty. But the keys are so close together that you can't really knock the dirt out, especially if hair gets under there. Look, there's a lump right there. Another, get out of there. See, that's really packed in there. See, that stuff's really in there. Wow. There it is. Come out of there. There it is. See, there's a piece of it. A couple of it. Still some under there. A little bit more to go. Anyway, when I'm done with that, I'm going to give it a shot of air with my trusty spray air under each key. See if we can get under there. Well, you get the idea. I'm going to spray under each key when I'm done. So anyway, thanks for watching, and don't know if I'll have any other more technical videos, but I know I'll at least have some for my upcoming quadcopter build. It's actually in progress. I shouldn't say upcoming. So, alright, take care.